Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello YouTube. My name is Muhammad Uzair. You are watching YouTube channel Muhammad Uzair TV. In previous video we learned about how to find range of a function, and we did some examples on odd and even function and define trigonometric function. In this video we will going to learn about reference angles. So what is a reference angle? The acute angle between the terminal side of theta and x-axis is called reference angle. So what is the reference angle depending upon the quadrant, in which quadrant a line is. For example, let's suppose this is for first quadrant, this for second, this for third, and the last one is for fourth. Let's suppose we have a line in the first quadrant, so this will be the first quadrant. So let's suppose we have a line making an angle theta with x-axis. So the reference angle is defined as the acute angle between the acute angle between the terminal side of theta and the x-axis. So let's suppose this is x-axis, this is y. So this angle will be the reference angle in the first quadrant, because this is an acute angle. This is an acute angle according to definition of reference angle. For the second quadrant, this is the second quadrant. Let's suppose we have this line. For first quadrant, the reference angle theta dash will be equal to theta. In the second quadrant, this will be theta, this will be theta, while this will be sorry, let me write. This will be theta dash. So this will be theta dash. So 180 minus theta will be, so theta dash, which is the reference angle, will be equal to theta dash will be equal to 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. In the third quadrant, this will be third quadrant. So let's suppose this is a line making an angle theta. So this will be reference angle. So reference angle will be equal to theta minus pi. This is also pi minus theta. 180 is pi. The third one, let's suppose line is in the fourth quadrant. So this will be theta, and this will be theta dash. So theta dash will be equal to 2 pi minus theta. So in reference angles we use ASTC rule. So let's suppose, as we know that this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and the last one is fourth. So in the first quadrant all will be positive. In the second quadrant, only sine and cosecant is positive. In the third quadrant, tangent, only tangent and cotangent will be positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos, cosine and secant will be positive. ASTC. So ASTC, to remember easily, we can say that ASTC. So ASTC rule, we will use ASTC rule. So we will use ASTC rule. Let's suppose we have find sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta of 5 pi over 3 using reference angles. Find sine theta, cos theta and tangent theta of 5 pi over 3 using reference angle. So as we know that 5 pi over 3 is in the fourth quadrant, so this will be theta and this will be theta dash. So theta dash is a reference angle, so theta dash will be equal to 2 pi minus theta, which is equal to 2 pi minus 5 pi over 3, which is equal to pi over 3. So sine pi over 3 cos pi over 3 and tangent pi over 3. Similarly, sine 5 pi over 3 cos 5 pi over 3 and tangent 5 pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 is equal to under root 3 divided by 2. Cos pi over 3 is equal to 1 over 2 and tangent pi over 3 is equal to under root 3. Similarly, as we know that this is in the fourth quadrant, so only cos and secant will be positive, so there will be a negative sign here and here. So under root 3 divided minus under root 3 divided by 2, this will be same 1 over 2 because it is in the fourth quadrant, and the last minus under root 3. So in this video we define the reference angle and learn about the reference angle. If you like the video, consider it for subscribing, and thanks for watching.